Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let us see what is coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking a few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the wisdom oracle message at last. If you want this reading to be different in any way, guys, please comment. So let me know what decks I can use for the readings, and please let me know your views in the comment, guys. So these are for your daily energies, and these are for your love energies, guys. We are picking more cards from a different deck. This is for your love energy. And we'll be picking one card from the wisdom oracle deck. That is your wisdom message at last. So that will answer any question you have in your mind. It may relate to your work or it may relate to your relationship, guys. We'll turn the cards now, Capricorn, for your daily energy. Strength. The Tower in reverse. Temperance in reverse. Capricorn, the energy with these cards is that, guys, you feel that firm conviction in your decisions in your life. This may relate to your work situation right now or your relationship, guys. So things are not going like you expected. You are seeing struggles in your life, lots of obstacles in whatever you do, but you are trying to control yourself, control the way you react to any particular situation, and you are remaining calm and collected. You are maintaining your composure. So that is the positive thing that is going to help you today, Capricorn. That is what I feel here. Your firm conviction on your ideals and your determination to stay strong and beat all odds. So that is going to help you reach your goals or overcome all these obstacles that you are facing today. So in your work situation, things may get delayed or suspended. Lots of confusions may be happening, and you may feel that things are not going as it is supposed to be, and certain things may be going against you also. Though you may try really hard on your part, though you may work really hard for those things to manifest, still things are not going in a positive way. So you feel in such a situation, even if you lose that cool, you will lose control of yourself. So you are staying strong, calm within yourself. You are waiting for the right time to take the next step forward. So that is the energy here, guys. You have that deep conviction in things, and people see you as a person of great strength. Maybe this person also, they see you as a person of great strength, compassion and calm, and you control your anger and whatever negative emotions that you want to show, because you want to overcome this tough time with that deep strength that you have in your heart, guys. That is the energy with these cards, Capricorn. So let us see what is the energy with the other cards here. So this may relate to your relationship, guys, or what you feel today. Snake, Stork, choices. So with these cards, the energy is that, guys, um, you have many choices in your life today. So, but nothing is wrong. So whatever choice you take up, you will reach those goals. But the only thing is how you go about it, and what is your action today. So whatever choice you make, there is no wrong turn or nothing wrong about it. So it is just another option available for you, but you have to have the determination to reach wherever you want to reach. So this may relate to your relationship with this person. So if you love this person and if you want a life with them, you know what choice you need to make. So that is the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all in this relationship or in work, there may be people who may be working against you. They may try to deceive you in some way, they may try to trick you, or they may appear to be a different person outwardly, but they may be totally different inside, in truth. So they are projecting something falsely just to make use of you in some way, cheat you in some way. You feel charmed by them, but they may have their own agenda. So this is the time for you to stay aware of such people, such deceiving people. And people may also envy you for your cool headed attitude, that strength and courage you show in times of deep distress. So people may really envy you, guys. That may also be the energy here. And also I see here that you have this card. This is a very favorable card. So some new turn of events are coming your way, guys. So whatever troubles and struggles you are facing till now, they are going to change. So you are moving towards a new season of transformation. So people who are reliable, who have great concern on you and who are trustworthy are coming near you, or you are identifying them in your life, guys, and you are moving forward in your life. You will see great improvements, productivity, and your results also will be very positive. That is what I see here. And whatever you were planning till now in this relationship or in work, whatever you were planning will manifest. So that is the energy here with these cards, Capricorn. So all those struggles, those conflicts may be coming to an end, and you may see a beginning of a great transformation in your life. That is the energy, guys. So let us see what is the wisdom oracle guidance. This may relate to your question, whatever you think deeply within yourself, guys. So you can take a pause for a minute, think about that question, then proceed with this reading, guys. So let us turn the card now. A change in the wind. Capricorn, this may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. So in your work, you may encounter certain unexpected events. So you do not know which way, which direction things are going to go. So you will have that fear towards the outcome, whatever it is. So there is nothing to fear, guys. We should think of these changes as opportunities for you to know what we need truly and what we are. Maybe certain opportunities have gone to somebody else in your work. You would have thought that it would have benefited you in some way, but sometimes you won't be clear of the outcome. Sometimes it may not be good for you. It would have been good for the other person, but it will not be the same way for you. So when circumstances are not in your control, you need to wait it out, so everything will come back to the normal very soon, guys. And in your relationship also, if you have certain misunderstandings with your person, some arguments, some fights maybe, and one person wants to leave and they leave, so things are rough right now. So you need to, if you can stay with that person together, you have to work a way to have that mutual understanding to overcome that situation together. When you do that, you grow together, both of you. But if you cannot, if you have gone separate ways, you have to wait it out for things to calm down. Remove yourself from that situation, take a break maybe, and things will clear very soon, guys. And you can otherwise come back to that person and try to express, and both of you can try to get an understanding of your situation, get that clarity. So this is the time for you to wait, guys, for opportunities to come your way, for things to change into something really favorable. So there are great changes happening in your life, guys, and this too will pass. That is the energy here with these cards, Capricorn. And that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be doing more of such readings. Bye, Capricorn.